Afam na vlogger, dismayado. Coffee shop sa Pinas, ginawang personal office? Tila nagpapahayag ng pagkadismaya ang isang Scottish vlogger na si Dale Phillip nang mapansin niyang ginagawa ng workplace o opisina ng ilang Filipino customers ang isang sikat na coffee shop sa Pilipinas. Yan daw ang napansin niyang coffee shop culture sa Pinas. Bagay na sa ibang bansa ay hindi naman daw ganoon. Ang ibang customers daw kasi na gustong umupo upang uminom or magkape or kumain ay hindi na makakaupo dahil maraming customers na naka-laptop pa sa mga mesa. At kay tagal pang umalis kahit ubos na ang kanilang iniinom or ang kinakain. Talaga bang kailangan magtambay ng mahigit 1 oras o buong araw na o doon mag-aral sa coffee shop? At guys, ito ang kanyang pahayag sa kanyang TikTok account. Panoorin natin to.
Look at all these guys with their laptops just sitting using it as their personal office. I would hate that. Hey! I would hate that. Somebody just doing their homework right there. Yeah. There's a big queue. I was thinking about getting a matcha frappuccino in there, but a big queue. Yeah, I would hate to have a business where just people come and just use it as their personal office. Use your Wi-Fi, your electricity, buy like one coffee. So I don't understand why they let people do that, and I don't understand why people want to do that either. I knew a guy who lived in Chiang Mai, and every day he would take his laptop to a different coffee shop and hang out and think he was cool. Digital nomad, digital gonad. That's what he is, a digital gonad, sitting in a coffee shop. Just sit in your house, just sit in your condo, just sit in your hotel room and do your work. Why do you need to be sitting in somebody's coffee shop to do your work with people disturbing you? And look at all these people coming in and out. I don't understand it, guys. I don't understand this whole concept.
At guys, nang dahil sa kanyang vlog ay umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaction at komento mula sa mga netizens. At kung ikaw ang tatanungin, anong hanas o ang kuda mo tungkol dito? I-share mo na at makipagbalik-taktakan sa issue na ito. Samantala, wala pang tugon o reactions o pahayag ang Starbucks tungkol dito. Okay guys, once again, Junes the Great here and thanks for watching.